Hey everybody, what's up? It's your girl Tiffany B, representing Tiffany Down. She got it going on. Yes indeedy, it's your hair bestie. And I'm coming to you like clean face patty today. That's right, we starting off fresh. I want you guys to see the entire journey it is from the closet to the finish. So I decided to just be flawless before you. And this is how melanin is, huh? This is how we do. Okay. Bless. So today, I want to especially thank those who've been rocking with me and checking out the styles. I really appreciate it. The girl is more than humbled, okay? That's your best friend. Your best friend, okay? Yes, that's right. So, you already know what it is. For those of you just joining, we got old hair that we never use, and it's usually stuck in the back of the car, somewhere between the back of the seat or the trunk. It could be stuck somewhere in your house. But join me as we head to Tiffany's closet. All right, we're here at Tiffany's closet. Yes. Big up to the closet. We're not touch the people in here, client here. We'll go down here. And today, usually I'm going from this bag, but today I'm gonna go from this bag. Now y'all don't know. I don't know. I'm literally being so transparent before you because whatever is in here, that's what I'm gonna use. Okay, so yep. That's what we're doing. Okay, we got some gray hair with my brown. I keep hoping like something good will pop up. Oh my damn. This is 613. Nice. It's a bashment thing, yeah. Let's see what else. Wow, mines are really stretching here. This, I'm telling you, we're using all of this. Anything pull out today, me I gotta use. Sorry. Anything I pull out of the bag today, I'm gonna use. What else? Guys, I just want you to see the authenticity here. Like, clearly. What am I gonna do with this? Usually by this point, I have an idea. Your girl's mind is doing the mannequin challenge here. Okay? Let me just be so authentic with you. I guess we're gonna have to use it. We're gonna have to use it. I don't even know what to tell you what's to come, but hang in there. This week might be a sweep way thing. We might be cleaning the house and just call Molly Maid because whoa, your girl is kind of shockway, but this is what it is. Tiffany's closet, whatever's in there, we have to work with. So join me as we pray. Father in heaven, I pray. So your hair bestie has two inside braids for my base of the style. I'm going to use Coloring Curls red, bronze, and gold to apply to that gray hair. I'm using the curler pins at the end of a 2-strand twist out, and I will be dipping the hair into warm water because Coloring Curls, it's wax, but a little bit of it does come off. Can't wait to see the results. I don't know. Every time I look in this mirror, all I can think is, Hey, you a bash me, girl. That's all. It's funky. I did not use. This would have been Brighter's. I was going to use these, so this is cool. I made clip-ins, and these could have worked, but not for this style, you know? So I'm gonna leave these, and maybe if they're going back in the bag, because I believe the Lord will use them, just not in this style today. But these are the clip-ins that I made. Also, these right here, all of these are clip-ins. Earlier on, you saw in the video, I used some wax. And this is from Colors and Curls. You can find them for anyone watching who lives in Toronto. I found them at the Texturd Hair Show last year. And so I bought red, which kind of looks pink. And you can see that up here I did like an ombre with some of them. So that's that color. At the end of those, I believe I put a little bit of the gold to give it a little bit of tinge, you know, a little ting-ting. And then my all-time favorite is this bronze, and I put it on this one. So, as I said, I didn't use this. So I actually used the gray hair that I had from earlier. I used that for the colored ones. For some this color, I put a tinge of that yellow on it, like the gold on it, but you couldn't really see it. The little pins that I used, they're actually for curlers to stick them and hold them into place. I used them for the ends of these, and they amounted to absolutely nothing. Wow, talk about useless on tonight. So that was a waste. I used the blue curlers on these ones, I believe. And because I trimmed some of them, also waste. Wow. Talk about that waste. But I was unsure of everything, how it was going to fit together. I did not think this was going to be anything. But I'm glad it came to like a little painting. So the same piece of tablecloth that I no longer use, it's actually covering two inside braids that you might have seen earlier, but it might have been too quick in the video. And the reason why I have this on is the colors that are left in that bag of confusion is Brighter's colors, Wildo colors. So it wasn't this, and this wasn't, it wasn't what I wanted it to be. I liked this. I love this texture here. So all I did, you can see some of that. Let's cover that up. So I decided that I would play on the twist out look, and have it kind of cascade my face. And these are the results. So, I mean, we could keep it. We could keep it. If we're going funky, we can keep it. If we're going on funky, it's been the most authentic episode. You know, holla at your hair bestie. She's trying to ting us. I feel like I should be rapping like a Issa Rae thing, like what? Yo, you know. But I'm not going to.
All right, y'all. It's time for you to decide. Are we gonna keep it, or we're gonna sweep it? Is it bash or is it trash? Okay, bestie. Bye, y'all.